Alright, I keep forgetting the video. I haven't videoed this whole time. I might set up a time lapse of us painting the floor. I gotta take it all out. I got it all labeled. Front. Already took the seat out. We got this back seat. It's just gonna be a bench. 2 speakers. We gotta get another piece of rebar for in the middle. But that's gonna latch up with this piano hinge right here. That's how long the hatch is gonna be. If I get it, you'll get it. Yeah, that's how long the hatch will be. I gotta take out this floor. The radio, showed you all that. Got the front floor labeled. All the pieces, all the pieces are over there. So, I'll get back to you when we're painting. Alright, I'm about to start painting. I don't know where my dad went. But got some epoxy seal, my bad. And I think it's for garage floors. 3 times more durable. And the shadows are horrible. But that's what I have. Paint. It's the big part of the floor. I'll set up a time lapse and we can start painting. Alright, I got the foam in. Groove cut out. Radio in, 4 speakers. That's the foam we're using. Still got bolts left. I think this is 4 inches thick. Big stuff. 4-inch thick foam. Got pretty close. There's still a little lip, but it looks good. Foam. Alright. My flooring just came in. Got it off V-board, it's cheaper. 3M backing. It's the color in that pit. Looks a little light on camera, but it's dark. That's the color we picked. Got it laid out so it gets straight. And it's cold outside. But what it's gonna look like. Oh, we got 2 of them. Got both of them. Alright, here's the floor. It went on easy. Had 3M stick. Me and Dad cut it out. I did the front, and we don't know what we're gonna do back there. That's all I have left out of 2 sheets. Good bit, but you'll see. You're about to see another video of me building a wire cart for all my wire. So thanks for watching this one. I'll see you on the next one.